There it is. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. TikTok, how's it going? Ooh, contracts going off. Yes, sir. UAL contracts closing right now. What do we have here? Just bought 100 bought the UAL 109 put at the $85 mark. Money in the bank. Yeah, them technical difficulties, that's right. Sweet. That is awesome. How's it going? We bought them back, basically, Graph. I sold the contracts initially, and then I sold them for a price like, let's see, 85. So about $350, $360 I sold them. I sold the contract, and then before expiration, the expiration was like in February, and it's the 21st. I put these contracts in last week. 1 week later, oh yeah, there's more. They're closing. So I'm basically buying them back. I'm buying them back early. In my real account too. Sick. Not just paper money, but also in my real account. Yeah, second step. Yep. Yeah, so that's some good news right there. I like hearing that. I have to go back in there after the stream and sell some more. That's real money in the pockets. Love it. How's it going, Graph? Good to see you. Stuart, good to see you. How you guys doing today? You guys might be the only two here today. All right, what do we got in the markets? What's going on? What's going on? TikTok, how's it going? Looks like we had a nice little rejection on NQ back into the range. Gold's at 48.60. That's just wild. Still at all-time highs, but now it might have leveled out a little bit. It's starting to create some range. Looks like silver's still in a range. NQ, definitely interesting what it's doing right now. We'll see if it sets up for a reversal trade. ES is kind of following it. Cool. Yeah. Sweet. Good stuff. Excellent. Yeah. We got 3 people here right now. I guess nobody's wants to trade anymore. Nobody wants to play with me. Gold's overpriced, yeah. Yeah, you care about the signals? Yeah, gold is overpriced. What's going on, Chris? Welcome in. Good to see you. Good to see you. How you doing? How are you doing, my friend? It might be a quiet Wednesday today. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see what we get. Doing a giveaway on Friday. If you guys saw in the Discord or not, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Giving away some accounts. I have a video I want to show you guys, but I don't remember where I put it. Might take me a while to find it. Zero trades today. Yeah. Yeah, I took a trade last night in Asia on NQ, and I bagged about 200. So I'm up in this week. I'm up like 500 in this account, something like that. tried rhythmic today. It's terrible. And moved to top step. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do as well. I think I might be on the same path, Stuart. Yeah. Top step, their $90 account looks really nice. I've had it once. Would you do a live session on Discord for those who wants to trade with you? I'm thinking about doing, I mentioned this last time. I'm thinking about doing a private call on Discord on Wednesdays, just for the navigators in the group. And it would just be for options, because, you know, middle of the week for options. Only thing is, my schedule at work is about to change, so I don't know. I got to figure that out first. I think my schedule at work's about to change, which stinks. It's gonna eat into more of my morning. You did the $49. Yep, you'll have to pay the $150 if you get funded, right? But if you do the $90 account, you don't have to pay again. So if you pass it, what's the navigator? It's in the Discord. I have all these people here, people who have supported the channel. In the Discord, I have different groups in the Discord. You know, you get your mods and your admins and stuff. And one of the groups, one of the exclusive groups, is anybody who's supported the channel, basically. And then, like you, Graph, your name is blue or turquoise because you're part of the OG crew. Which is, you can be an OG crew and a navigator at the same time, right? Which basically I say navigator because they're helping steer the ship, right? They're the ones who decided to support the channel, which is never anything I ask for. Never. I'll never ask for anything. It's just people who are like throwing gifts at me because I got some pretty sick people in here. So I was like, you know what? They're already doing it. I'm gonna create something exclusive and special for them. And then people who boost the Discord server are also in that group as well. In that they get their own channel and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's pretty much what that is. If you go into the Discord graph and you go to, where's it at? It kind of explains it. There's a section in there. Cannot remember where I put it. I think it's in the welcome or the read. No. It's under a thing called roles hierarchy. If you read that, it'll explain what each of the colors on the name means. Yeah, check that out. No, I will never ask. I'll never ask anything from anybody. I don't operate that way. I have nothing to sell anybody. Nothing. No courses, no mentorship. This is a take it or leave it stream. That's how I put it. And it suits me well to not have the responsibility of you know, a mentorship or whatever. Nah, brah. No, I don't ever want to do that. It's good stuff. Go in, go out on trades. Oh, you're Boctro. Okay. Ah, okay. I didn't know that, Stuart. I did not know that, my friend. Yeah, well, I think I gave you a proper welcome there, but I didn't know that was you. That's funny. Yeah, you bet. Absolutely, Graph. Yeah, absolutely. Good to catch up with you, man. I'm glad you and I were kind of on the same page. I like what Gold's doing here, but it's just too late. 5 minutes left. It's too late. It's too late, Gold. Too late. Yeah, you bet, Graph. Anytime, my friend. We have any news today? I don't see any. Nope. No news. No news. No news. I want to find this video for you guys, but I don't remember where the heck I put it. I have a video of, yeah, I think I might have tweeted it. I have a video of an unexplained object. And call it a UFO, call it whatever. We don't know what it is. I don't want to show it to you. Trump meeting with the leaders at 9:45. Okay. Are they going to talk about tariffs again? Where did I post this? Maybe I posted it? Yeah, we're the older generation vibe. Yeah, that's right. We're the OG crew. OG crew. What? Oh, okay. Let's see. I gotta find this. Stupid. This. Okay, I found him. I found him. See if I can add them directly to my drive. How's it going, Elvis? Doing good, my friend. Doing good. Came in for a unique, interesting stream. Unique, interesting stream. Yeah, second mouse strat, maybe. We're still on the opening candle of New York. What's going on, Tim? How you doing, my friend? Welcome in, welcome in. Trying to find some crazy videos to show you guys. I have a video of a guy who thinks he filmed something very not of this world. Yeah, Tim. Alien fits, yeah. Yeah, and I have the video to show you. So I want to show you if it'll work. Also, we're doing a giveaway. Edu.rdk, good to see you. Starting to trickle in here. We're doing a giveaway on Friday. This one didn't upload. God, these videos are so weird, dude. Ah, gives me the chills looking at it. Gives me the chills. What is it? It's killing me. I gotta show you guys. Give me the creeps. The only problem is I'm having an issue with saving the video. Failed to save. Of course it's failed to save. Creepy. Okay. You let's see. You got yourself a little accidental win. That's all right. That's all right, Stuart. That's all right. Can't blame you for that. Let's see if I gotta be able to find these. When did I post them? Sorry guys, I want to find these and show these to you. I've been thinking about it all weekend. I keep forgetting when I'm on stream. Yes, I found them. Okay. Where can I put them? Maybe I'll toss them in the Discord. Maybe I'll toss them in the Discord. Let me think here. I found them. Should I create a channel in the Discord just for the unexplained? I might. If you guys want to join the Discord, if you're not already in the Discord, there is the link. I'll show you guys on stream though. Yeah, I'll probably drop them in the Discord, but for now I'll show you. Let me put them in my drive here. There's 2 videos. 2 videos. Oh, it's so creepy. Okay. Okay. Yikes. All right. We're going to look at him. You guys are here. We're going to look at him. Let me pull up my... I got to pull up the Google Drive. A different window. There it is. Stand by. Stand by, stand by. All right, I know the charts are frozen. Tim, by the way, we had some UAL popping off this morning. I don't know if you traded UAL with me last week. But we bought back some of our own contracts in UAL this morning on Wednesdays. It seems to happen on Wednesdays. I hate that I have to put my stupid password in every time. I hate passwords. Wasting my time. It's not even the correct password. I just want to show the video. A stupid password. Go. Now I gotta check my device for freaking 2-factor. I know I'm trying with 2-factor. It's dumb. I log into this account every day. Why do I have to always do 2-factor? Stupid. No. All right. Literally every day. Okay. I'm in. All right, you guys. Want to see it? Is there anything going on in the market first? Not really. Not yet. All right. I will just let you guys watch, and you tell me what you think. Are you guys ready for this? You tell me what you think. Wait. Hang on. Okay, I've got 2 of these to show. Ready for the first one? Here we go. What is that? What's up, Dean? How you doing? We're just talking about potential unexplained. Right? Before you make your judgments, watch the second one. What is that? What is that? The rat saw it. Dude, the rat saw it and ran. And it changed directions. What is that? It's silent. It's got a shadow. It has no wings. It has no nothing. It's got... What is that? Speaking of second mouse gets the cheese. That's just... I don't know. Oh, you're watching TikTok, team? Nice. Welcome back over to TikTok. What's going on there? Just getting in money. How you doing? Doing good. Showing interesting things on YouTube over here. Could be anything. Sure. It's here's the thing. I've seen stuff like this in real life. In the skies and stuff, and I've never been able to explain it. I'll show you the other one again. Could be anything. Yes, it could be anything. But I find it fascinating. I'm not saying it is one thing or another. I'm not biased, but it could be an Elion. It could be an Elion from another planet. It seems to have some kind of intelligent movement. It actually is doing... It doesn't have wings. It doesn't have any of that stuff. Now, it's possible... It's very small. It's possible that the camera... The camera is not picking up the wing flaps. Right? That is possible. The frame rate on the camera is just not picking up the wing flaps. If it's a bug. And if it's a bug, whatever, right? End of conversation. But it's still fun and fascinating. I just want to show you guys that. You have another UAL contract with no counter buyback order, which is just sitting there. No idea what to do with that one, to be honest. Interesting, Tim. I would say you could do one or two things with that, Tim. You could let it go to expiration, and you'll probably keep all the premium if it expires in your favor. Or if the difference between the mark and your trade price is, if the mark is less than your trade price, so if you traded it, let's say $200, and the mark is currently at, I don't know, $85. Oh, DAO. Okay, same thing, same idea. If you sold it for $200 and your mark is currently at $85, you can pay $85 to close that contract and be done with it, and retain the other $125 or $115 or whatever. Or you can just let it go to expiration. I hate these. See, every single market here has this doji. I hate these dojis. These dojis are just, that is a no-go condition for me. I can't do it. There's nothing here that I can really do. And especially since there's two. If there was one and it was the opposite color, we might be able to do something with that, but there's two. What's going on, Biblical? How you doing? Good to see you. UAL contracts closing this morning on my side, Biblical. I don't know about you, but my UAL contracts closed and we put money in our pockets. Maybe you get assigned and you can see how the covered call works. Yeah, it's in your paper account, right, Tim? So if you get assigned, it's not real money. Hopefully. 110% believe there's aliens somewhere out there. No doubt. They're far advanced just because how quickly Earth had life. Granted, that is not granted that life was not super intelligent. I don't know. That's the thing. When I watch videos like this, I like to look at it with a completely open mind. It could be anything, right? And I never take a stance. I never take a stance that says that it's not some other intelligent life, and I also don't take a stance that it is. I like to be completely in the middle and completely neutral about it. That's my favorite way. Your UAL's closed, Tim? Yes. Yes. You've now seen and felt what it's like to make real money in the market. That's the strategy. That's the process. I know you haven't seen the covered calls side yet, but that's okay, because now you've freed up a ton of capital. You've freed up your big bag of cash, and now you can take that and reinvest it, or you can reuse it, basically. You can get more contracts, which is what I'm going to do after stream. Could do it on stream, but it's mostly futures now. So now maybe start looking at the next contract you want to get, or you could wait for me on Friday. I might do it on Friday. In my real account though, I'm getting back in the market, getting right back in it. Oh, it's all paper? That's good. That's good. You need 52 cents. 52 cents? Not sure what you mean, biblical. 0.52, which would be $52. Is that what you're talking about? You made a print screen in the Dissy? Have a look-see. Oh, I see. Okay, let me see. UAL filled. Yeah. Heck yeah. That's sick. Congrats, Tim. Now you've seen it. Now you can't unsee it. I think I understand what you're saying, biblical, but that is one messed up sentence you just posted. There's like half words in there. Take the same approach, but looking at that video, how did it get here? Yeah. Say it fell on an ash rate. Yeah, exactly. Who knows, Dean? Right? Who knows? Who absolutely knows? Yeah, so good. Okay, so your which one, Tim, is the DAL that you're unsure about? Is it the January 30th? Oh no, it's DAL. It's there. Okay, hang on a sec. What did you wait a minute. Okay, so you have a buy order, Tim, sitting in here for DAL at $40. But what did you sell it for? How much did you pull in? How much did you make? Because then I can kind of help you understand. If you go into your positions tab, find that exact same trade. And well, it looks like you've already got it set up. You've already got it set up to buy back at 40. All right, let's see. Strike price is 107. Your buy is at 52 per contract in February 3rd. Oh, okay. Makes sense. I see what you're saying, biblical. Yeah. That's still good. That's about 50%. That's about 50%, which isn't bad. Between 50 and 75%. Are you going to head off, Dean? Sounds good, my friend. Have a good one. Have a good one. Thanks for coming in for a bit. I don't know if you're going to miss much of these futures today. Yeah, we'll do. Good conversation. You have two DAL. This screen that you're looking at is only the counter orders. Correct. Yep. Yeah, so let me know. I'm curious. You gonna head off? Sounds good, Chris. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate you. Yeah, have a good one, my friend. Thanks for coming in. Two orders. Okay, let me look. Do me a favor, drop them in the trades section, because they can kind of clutter up the main chat. Drop them in the trades section if you don't mind. Okay. Okay, so you have an extra Delta Airlines. One's a 77 put, one's a 67 put. Okay, let's see. So we're looking at the 67 put. That's the one you don't. You have a 67 put that has a buyback order and a 77 put that does not have a buyback order. Okay, let me see here. So you want to know what to do with the 77 put? What I can't understand about this, what you're using here, is I can't tell what you sold it for. I have no idea. I can see what the current price is. I can see what the market value is. But average price, is that what you sold it for? I have no idea. I can't tell. I can't tell what you actually sold it for. Let's see what you said here. Discord, there you can see it. When you took Friday on stream with a bigger risk, then you had to run, went off stream, but quickly bought it anyways, or sold it. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I can't tell. The way this is set up, you need another window or something to say what your trade price was. So that way I can compare it to where it's sitting at, what it's sitting at right now. On mine, I have my trade price right next to my mark, right next to my cost basis. So that way I know exactly what I sold it for, where it's sitting at right now, and what the overall cost was for me, which I haven't explained yet. I haven't explained that on stream yet. I did an analysis on SMCI in the last stream at the very end, I think. Yeah, I think I said something about we're too close to earnings and to wait a little bit. So what happened for SMCI is it's been dropping ever since AI got involved with the microchips or whatever. SMCI has dropped to around 30. However, you can still trade it. I actually traded SMCI not that long ago and then bought it back and made some cash. So SMCI is not, it's in a good spot right now. You own 100 shares and you want to try covered calls. Okay, what we'll do, I should be getting, hopefully I'm getting assigned 100 shares on Intel this week. But if you want biblical, you have 100 shares on SMCI. Let's go through that on Friday. Just remind me. You have a hard time figuring out where to find the price and how much I sold it for. Yeah, I am too. I don't know innovative traders. I'm just like, if you go into the trade section, it might tell you. In the trade section, go look for the 77.5 put in the trade section, and maybe it's in there. But it is very strange to me that you don't have a column that you can change. New screen. Okay, 77 put. Man, this platform is hard to read. Gosh, I'm having a hard time looking at this platform, Tim. If I can't find it, I think maybe average price, but I don't think that's right either. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. You're using innovative traders, is that it? You're using innovative traders? Interactive. I can't ever remember that word. Man, some weird price action today. Evan, welcome to the crew. Appreciate the follow. Welcome to the crew. Okay. Let's see here. Well, I'm looking at information on the interactive traders. And it's hard for me to figure this out without normally I can figure this out if I'm messing around with it. Like I can figure it out, but it's hard for me to do it through you. Says average price. That's what I was thinking, average price, because I see the word cost basis here. That's just a weird way to put it. That's a weird way to do it. So when you sold Tesla, yeah, I know. When you sold Tesla, what's going on, Alex? Good to see you. When you sold Tesla, I think you sold it the same day as me, and you sold it for 11.9, which would total around 2,300. So your account balance should have gone up. If that's the case, then the 6.52 average price would make sense, because times 2 would be 2389. Same thing with your DAL. If that is the case, well, assume it is, 6.54 is what you sold it for, then that means the current mark is at 9.0, right? So it's higher. Typically, the closer we are to earnings, which is, I think we're on the other side of earnings right now. You have, let's see, February 20. You still have an entire month for that contract to close. So I would either do one or two things, Tim. I would either not even worry about it and let it go all the way to expiration, which is a month away, 30 days away. Or I would put a buy to close order in there of around, well, it's up to you. If you want to close it early, drop it to like 50%. So put a buy to close in there around 3.25, or even lower at 2.0, which would basically mean that you'll spend $200 to buy it back and close it. So that's if that's the case, if that average trade price is the correct number, that's what I would do. Because otherwise that contract's gonna be in there for the next 30 days. It's up to you. If you want to keep the whole $654, you can do that, no problem. You'll just wait longer. You won't be able to rotate your capital as well. Come on, gold and Q, give me something. Garbage price action. I might have to just jump in and start selling contracts. While I'm sitting here waiting, I might as well do it. Might as well do it. I'll do it on my... I'll save the... yeah, your brain. Yeah, exactly, Tim. Oh, I love that sound. That sound is money. That sound is money in the bank. Every time I hear that sound, man. By the way, I'm doing a... why they call it average price? I know. Yeah, that average fill price. I don't know. In the Discord, I have an announcement that I'm giving away a Bull and Ox account on Friday. So show up to the stream on Friday. Giving away it. I've got 3 accounts to give away. The first account is given away on Friday. Okay, Stream Elements, we get it. Chill, dude. Chill. The first account I'm giving away on Friday. All you have to do is show up to the stream. That's it. That's it. That's all you have to do. And have Bull and Ox pulled up and ready to enter a code into Bull and Ox. Special code. And you'll get a free 50K account. All you have to do is show up. Then I'm going to probably do another one on Monday during the future stream. Those two are I'm going to give those away on YouTube. I'm not going to do TikTok because there's too many in and outs on TikTok. There's nobody that sticks around. So, those two. And then the third one is probably going to be in the Discord. It's either going to be in the Discord or it's going to be just for the Elite Navigators. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet how I want to do it. The third one, I don't know yet. 77% win rate. Nice job. Okay. UAL closed. Sell another one. What's up, Alex? In the TikTok. It's going up. All right. So, if you want more information in the Discord, in the announcements section is where you can find the information about the giveaway. I don't need anything from you guys. I don't need likes. I don't need subs. I don't need go watch 3 videos, go do this, go do that. None of that. Just show up to the stream and be quick. Sorry, Stuart. I know you said you might not get it because you said you're not that quick. I remember watching that or seeing that on the last stream, and I forgot to say that to you. But I hope, Stuart, it's gonna be all right. I hope. Oops. What? No. That's why they... No. Why? Okay. Whoa, Shibby. Good to see you, my friend. How you doing? Welcome in. Glad you're doing all right, man. Glad you're doing all right. Good to see you. Just talking about a giveaway on Friday. Doing a giveaway on Friday. So, yeah, check the Discord. You made a counter buy offer for the DAL. Yeah, check it. Absolutely. Let me check it. Let me check it. Check it. You check yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay, let's see. Time and force needs to be good till canceled, Tim. Doing good, man. Doing good. Yeah, we're just making money in the markets. Futures right now is pretty flat, pretty sucky. So we're talking about options. If you haven't ever traded options, Chibi, it's something else. It's good stuff, man. How's the family? Can't even imagine what you're going through, dude. Man, that platform that you're using is different. Change it to good till canceled. Okay, let me look at the rest here. Why? Something's not right. I don't know what's going on with your thing, Tim, but it's basically saying you're going to spend $2. $2 instead of 200. I don't understand why. 2.0 is 200. I don't know why it's not. It says totals $2 minus fees. It doesn't make any sense. The platform makes my brain hurt. What the heck, dude? No, this is a demo account here still. I'm just basically, I'm messing. I've been doing test trades on this. I'm probably gonna switch back to Top Step here shortly. Shibby. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be switching back to Top Step here. Oh, look at silver and gold melting. These are, I'm basically taking, I'm using this Bullinox account, whatever, it's a $13 account. Just use it as a practice account because I'm practicing a couple of different new strategies. But I didn't get an opportunity to practice today. Let me look some more, Tim. .2. That, I don't know. That doesn't sound right to me, Tim. 200. Yeah, it doesn't. That seems to, something's something's wrong, and I can't figure out what it is. It's really hard for me to figure it out by just screenshots. It should be 2.0. Max you can put is 3. See, I can't understand why. That doesn't make any sense. You should be able to buy it back and close the position for 1-to-1. I know. I know, Tim. I know everybody wants it. Oh. Let me keep looking at it. Let me keep looking at it. I don't give up. I don't give up. Something just, I don't know, just doesn't make sense. See what the 1030 candle does on silver and gold. If we get a nice little break here on gold or silver, we might be looking at a sell. I don't know, Tim. If enough people are interested in in a private group for options, we might end up doing it. I don't know. The thing is that I'm not sure how or when, how I'm gonna be able to do that, because if I had, if I had, let's say, 100 people that are interested, I'm gonna run into the problem of running out of time. I'm gonna run out of time in the day, right? Because I have this, plus I have a full-time job, plus I've got a family. So I wish there were more hours in the day. We gotta figure it out. Let's see. Yeah. No, it might just naturally happen. We'll see. We'll see, Tim. It might naturally happen. You might be able to do basically what I'm doing right now. I might be able to do on one day before we stream. Have a separate Discord call just for what's up, Graph? Have a separate Discord call just for the options side. Yeah. No, I'm gonna help you figure it out, Tim. Yeah, came back to work. You gotta have your vice. That's right. Yeah. I got a battery. No. I'm pretty sure if I showed that, TikTok will ban me. Okay. Have anything on gold here? It's melting. Silver's melting. I don't know why I have 2 resistances here. Nope, nothing yet, Graph. Nothing yet, my friend. Just talking about options and aliens. Potentially. And doing a giveaway on Friday. Giving away a Bullinox account on Friday. And the in the announcements section in the Discord is where the information is. What is wrong with you, TikTok? I think I just got restricted on TikTok because I pretended this was not a battery. Snowflake TikTok. So dumb. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything on TikTok. One account or 3. It's going to be a total of 3, but Friday will be 1 account. Monday will be another account, and then the third one will probably be Discord only. You suck, TikTok. Thanks for the likes, Alex. Apparently TikTok restricted my live now because I pretended to use this battery for something different than it actually is. So stupid. Yeah, I got separate codes. Yep, I got separate codes, Tim. I did it. I got 3 accounts in my hands, and I'm going to be giving them away to you guys. 350K accounts. But you need to understand exactly how those accounts work, because they're basically free for a month, and then after a month, if you haven't passed them or you haven't blown them, then they will charge the account user full price to renew, which I think sucks. Yeah, they worked with me. Yep. Yeah, I was very persistent with Bullnox. Hey, listen. I have this code right here. Michael, just look at the data. People are using my code on stream, so I want accounts to give away. And they said yes. So that using that code right there for the 83% and before it was a 91% actually helped me with the data. I like what gold's doing here. Potential opportunity. There's a level right there though. Gold always burns me. Silver has a bunch of levels to the left, but look, it's coming back down. Look at silver. There's this big gap right here. It's coming back down. It's melting into it. Sell silver now. Sell silver now. NQ and ES are just off in their own world. Let's watch gold and silver for a bit. Gold has a gap down here too, doesn't it? Yeah, way down there. Way down there. No trade for you? Yeah. Yeah, I understand, Graph. Gold better give you an entry. Yeah. 1 minute here, 45 seconds till close. Still pretty choppy and ugly to the left here on gold. I like that it's going to close below this level. Pretty gross over here. So we'll see. A big long bottom wick. Honestly, would like it to close more around here or so. Jeez, look at silver. Silver just melted all of a sudden. I really want silver to get below this level. Right there. It's almost there. But it's one candle. One 15-minute candle takes it all the way down there. All right, gold closed outside of this level right here. I think if gold retests here and flips red, I might go for a trade. I don't think silver is going to work out for me because it's really choppy to the left, and there's a bunch of levels. At least on gold, there's a couple of tiny levels. There's a major level right here, though. A couple of small levels. Here, here, and here. So I gotta take those into consideration. So if it wants to flip, we might take a stab at it. I'll put an order in. Not the cleanest. Take lower risk, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the cleanest, but it's not, I don't hate it. It's not the cleanest, but it's not the worst. Also, there's this big long wick right here, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Trade at your own risk. Don't follow my trades if you're not comfortable. Well, that's doing that. Try and sell another UAL contract in my real account. Ooh, monthlies are just perfect right now, right at 30. Monthlies are right at 30. Jump scare inbound. Can make 340 real dollars in UAL right now. That's nice. I might do that. Real money. $110, $108. I think I'll do 108. In case anybody wants to know, I'm selling a contract on UAL right now in the 108 on the 30-day monthly for about 350 bucks. Real money. Well, let's see, 108. Gotta make sure I have enough capital for that. Yeah, okay, we're good. Better make a big wick, yeah. All right, let's see. $375. Send it. Just made $375. Real money. Real account. Boom. That easy. It's that easy. It's that easy, my friends. It's that easy. On United Airlines. W. That's right. Yeah. 108 strike price, 30 days. Yep. At what counter offer? You mean for a buyback? Is that what you mean, Tim? I did 108, and I made 375. Shit. Did I make 375 or more? 380. I made more. This wick on gold's good enough for me. That's good. Yeah, I think if this flips red, we're in business. I would like this gold to, yeah. So I just sold it for, I made $381 just right now. Real money, like I said, in the market. 381 divided by 4 is 95. So I'm gonna put my buyback order at 95, and that might happen within a week or two. Oh, Forex is going up higher. Interesting. So I'm going to go back into my position here and put a reverse order at 95. $381. Thought it was gonna make like 340 or 350. Sometimes it fills higher, and I love that. All right, opposite order. Limit good till canceled. 0.905. And I'm using over $10,000 of collateral. Limit good till canceled. Buyback. Yep. Okay. Send it. Send it. Sweet. Okay. That is good. And what I'll do, what I just did on Friday, we'll do in UAL. I'm doing it on my personal account and not showing you because, well, that's not a good idea. It's not a good idea to show off your personal account. So what I just did right now, I could go into paper and do the exact same thing. And I will, but I'm not going to do it today because I want to go through it on screen with you guys. If this here doesn't flip red within the next 2 minutes, I'm closing this contract order. This order right here. Yeah, we'll see. Sometimes you get the chance here and sometimes you don't. Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? Kevin, welcome in. Welcome to the crew. Welcome in. Might not get a trade in New York today. We'll see. It's all right. I traded on the option side. I'm good. Buyback order at, yep. Buyback order at 95. Yep. That's what I did. That's what I did, Tim. And I chose 108. 110 is also a safe support, but it sounds like you probably already did it. But I was like, you know, I'm just gonna be a little bit more cautious and take the 108 instead of the 110. It's currently at 111. I thought that might have been a little too close. So if it skyrockets and never comes back to 110, then oh well. I could have made a little bit more money, but more of a risky trade. I need SMCI to get back up into the 40s. All right, I am canceling this order. This is what I hate about futures. I didn't even get a chance to trade. I want to trade, you know? This is what I hate about futures. I feel less in control with futures. It drives me nuts. We'll see if we get a setup in the next 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Okay, sounds good, Tim. Excellent. Excellent, my friend. Yeah, and like I said, I'll probably do the same thing on Friday, but in the paper account. So you can see it as a reiteration. It's like looking into the sun. Let's see. Now that delta was a little bit high on 108. It was at 35. But the reason why I took that is because UAL seems to... I probably should have gone a little lower at 106. But there was a nice support there at yeah, exactly. For the 35 delta, there was a nice support there around 108, I think. Let me look at it again. Chart. Yeah, 108. It seems, if you believe in head and shoulders, right? Yeah, good premium. Yeah, the bottom of the shoulder there is probably done, and it's probably gonna start moving back up. So I think if it comes down and touches 108 in the next 20 days, 30 days, it won't really be a big deal. It could even go past 108 and then come back up and then leave, and it won't matter because we have time. That's where time is on our side, is because we have time on this contract. If this was a 7-day contract, then that would really be not good. But it could come down to 108 and come through 108 and then go back up, and it won't matter. It won't even matter because we have time. 106 also looked like pretty good support level. But we'll see. If I get assigned 100 contracts on UAL, 100 shares on UAL, that's all right. I'll just sell a covered call. I'll just make more money. That's what's nice about it. It's okay. Maybe I picked the wrong strike price. Maybe I picked the wrong support. I'm not going to really be punished for it because I'll just turn around and sell a covered call and make more money. That's what's nice about it. That's what I love about it. I don't see nothing going on in the futures market, man. Nothing. Oh, you came in, Brian, from the post. Welcome in. I think you probably already left, but welcome in. You have NG going to 44.7. 2 contracts. You're in gold. Did you do a sell graph? What I'm hoping happens here with gold, what I'm looking for in gold, is this to close as a small body green. And it looks like it will. This closes a small body green, then I might be able to catch a sell. So I might put my order back in. I don't see anything over here. I'm not even going to watch that anymore. I'm going to go back to 2. Gold and silver. We'll see how it closes. It didn't as close as small as I wanted. Took TP, small risk, scratch that itch. Yeah, that's right, Graph. Dang it. I was hoping this would have closed smaller than that. Smaller than that. Even something like... what would have been the perfect candle? This one right here is pretty good. This one. Best case scenario. What was I looking for? Come on. Something like that. With a long top wick. Yeah. Oh. go. It's flipping red. Last TP. I still like this for a sell. Tell you what, I'm gonna put another order in. Gold wants to melt, we'll catch it. Probably won't, but we'll see. Just 2K pips, nice graph. Excellent, dude. There's a couple of levels here to the left. This isn't the best. This isn't the best setup. Ideally, you really want to be below all this chop here. Yeah. This probably won't work out. Final TP. Sounds good, graph. Yeah. Silver's having a melt, but gold is not. I don't know. This markets are getting choppy, man. Silver's created a really nice level over here. See this? Where I've got this red line. This is a nice level. Nice support level. Look at that. It's bounced off that level multiple times. The chances, here's what you have to look at, right? I'm actually going to cancel this because silver just gave me information I was looking for. Silver has respected this level right here. It's bounced off here. Here. So looking at silver, yes, we have this gap down here, and it's possible that it could come through and hit this gap, but we don't know when that's going to happen. In the meantime, I've got this support level right here at the bottom of all of these reactions. Silver is respecting this level, and I have to pay attention to this. If it gets through this level, great, we can take a trade. But right now, it's bounced off this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it just keeps rejecting. So silver is not ready to come back down here yet. However, we can still trade it as it comes. However, we can still trade it as it continues up. So that gave me all the information that I needed right there. I don't need indicators. I don't need Bollinger Bands. I don't need any of the junk that people put on screen. Resistance and support. That's it. Red and green candles. That's all I needed. All right. Made a little short right there. Been wanting to make a short on silver. I haven't had a chance to. So I just took that opportunity. Yeah. Ay, these markets are poo. I don't see nothing. Nah, too much green on NQ. I think that's it for me. No trade today. No trade today. That's all right. That's all right. I'm still up from last night. $190, and I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, you go play games. Playing games with my heart. Okay. Alex, thanks for being in. Appreciate you. Edu, good to see you. Appreciate you being in. Elvis, you were in for a bit. How things are going in New York for you. Hopefully good. Mr. Chris, he's off. Haven't seen him in a bit. Boring future today. That's right, Tim. Yeah. Some option stuff, though. Biblical, good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome in and goodbye, I guess, at the same time. Mr. Timbo, number 6. That's weird. I've had more conversation with Tim today than Dean, and Dean for some reason has more XP. I don't know, it's weird. The little top fans thing is what I'm reading off now. Shibby was in for a bit. Hope you're doing good, Shibby. I like Shibby's new I like his new logo. It's like a dude holding gold with some candles. Pretty cool. Dean was here for a bit. Stuart as well, and my man Graf. My man Graf got the top seat for today. Yeah. What I'll do, if I'm gonna continue, Tim, to look at those trades that you put in Discord, and if I have time, if I can figure it out, then I will I'll shoot you a message or something. But that interactive brokers or whatever it is, I keep saying interactive, I can't remember. Innovative brokers, interactive brokers, whatever. Is a confusing platform. Yeah, there's some confusion there. So I'm gonna have to see if I can. I know what I'm looking for, but I can't seem to find it when I'm looking at it. Interactive brokers, yeah. When I'm looking at it, I can't seem to find it. Yeah, even the name is confusing. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. I'll continue to take a peek at it, and if I come up with something, I'll let you know. But in the meantime, you can at least leave that one open, and I can say right now you sold at 6 something, it's at 9 something. Maybe give it some time, let it settle, let it come back below, and if it gets around 3, you can just close it. Just flat close it. You made the counter buy offer? Okay. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, cool. Awesome, guys. I'm going to sign off and get ready for work. So, yeah. I'd like to leave you guys with a question of the day. I got a question of the day for you. On this video, when it's all done, I'm going to ask you what you think about aliens. You tell me in the comments in this video. After it posts, it'll post right after. So go in the comments. I'm going to put in there, what do you think about aliens? Leave me a comment. All right, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. We'll see you tomorrow. That's right. Peace and salutations. Take me to your leader.